Hi, I'm Ram Pothireddy from CGT 445, and this is my final dev commentary. Uh, so, me and my partner chose to do a platformer game for our final project, and I was assigned to do level design and coding for the project, and he was going to do the environment and make the game look more aesthetically pleasing. So, this is our first level right here, which he wanted to make the mood look like a sewer type feel, and I think he did a pretty good job with the green post post effects and stuff. So here, that was one of our blueprints, and which allows us to go from level to level. And this is our second level. Uh, Before we changed it, so this is what I did. So this is basically what the level design I made, and then from this he creates the whole level based on wherever these platforms are to make sure there's consistency. So let's go back to that level. So this is the second level before it has been turned. So I'm putting in this version so you understand like what I did. So I tried making for level 1 just the basic intro. Level 2 was to make up and down platforms, which are these ones right here, this and that. And then level 3 was the one he made for as a different kind of outlook, and level 4 was to introduce side to side moving platforms, and level 5 was rotating platforms, and just to make sure that the game goes more difficult as time goes on. So for the programming for the rotating platform is really simple. Just event tick, make a blueprint of a cube, and then add in the rotation, which is really simple. For the side to side ones is where it got a little complicated. So I had to add in a counter as a variable, and then I had to make a branch. Basically it alternates between -10 and +10 directions from the origin, and uses this code to alternate between going left and right. Same thing goes with up and down. It's the same code, but it just the value here is changing in Z, whereas side to side it changes in Y. So coming to the respawn, so what I did, I added in a cube with a collision and named it respawn. So when our player character hits the collision box of the respawn blueprint, it says the health to 0. So I added a new variable health, and then we go to the level blueprint, and here's what happens. So every event tick, it checks if the player health is less than or equal to 0, and if it's true, then it destroys the actor, and after it destroys the actor, it spawns a new actor at the location specified, which is our default position at 0, 0, 0. And possess allows us to control the character. So every time we hit the collision box or the kill box and health goes to 0, we respawn at the starting point, whichever is specified here, and we possess the character. So that was the respawn mechanic. And then down here is changing levels. Basically, I added in a trigger box and programmed it so when the player touches the trigger box, he opens the next level. So for in level 2, he goes to level 3. In level 3, he goes to level 4. Basically, it's the code which works. We have to change the code for every level, but this is it's the base how it looks. So that's what I did for our final project. That's all of my coding, all my blueprints. So when I was trying to make the levels, right, I just didn't want it to be plain simple, so I added in like a way to speedrun the course as well. So the players who keep playing the game will have more fun trying to finish it as fast as possible and make it more competitive. And I think that would increase the longevity of the game in general, of having being fun. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you.